Hi, it's Emily from WTI. I'm on a quest to get my bedroom organized, and these hooks have come in so handy. These are the wooden hooks with leather straps from XAOMLP. This is a set of 3 in the walnut color. I think that they accessorize and complement my boho bedroom style so well. These hooks have been really great for organizing belts, headbands, and other hair accessories. I also love the little leather hook underneath them because it's nice to be able to hang outfits that you want to wear for the day and kind of get yourself styled and ready, sort of like a little preview zone for your day. Besides using to organize in your bedroom, there's a plethora of other places that you could utilize these hooks. They come with a really strong screw, so if you're able to screw into a stud or use the hollow wall anchor, they hold up to 11 pounds. So these would be great for your entryway to organize coats and hats and scarves and all of those accessories. They would also be great in a garage or storage area to organize different things that need to hang. Cleaning supplies, anything, you name it. Really, the possibilities are endless. Where can you not use a hook? If you have an area of your home you want to get organized, but you don't want to put really ugly metal hooks there, these are the perfect alternative because they're stylish and functional. They're made of beech wood and leather, and honestly, they have a very beautiful artistic appeal. They're both lovely to look at and highly functional, and that is a great combination in a product if you ask me. They've worked great for me. I think you'll love them too, and that's my point of view.